Resume game.
Is it done? Hi guys, this is Troll Gaming Minecraft, and this is Slam Slime Gaming.
Ah!
What?
I fell off the map. That's so dumb
we
of
just
me.
started. You already fell out of the map.
Why do I die in every video?
Are you trolling me?
No, I
Today
just
we're
got
gonna
trolled.
play TNT Wars. Are you ready, son?
Okay.
Wait,
To the
wait,
left
wait,
side.
wait. Calm the hell down,
Are
son.
we going to keep it to the left or the right?
Where do you want to be? In the left or the right?
I want to be the right because it's always right.
Okay. I'm gonna be here.
Okay.
Ready, go. Let's start.
I'm gonna build my cannon.
I'm gonna destroy Sun because he's a noob.
Hey, I'm not a noob. I'm better at building cannons than you.
I don't care.
You're a troll and you don't even know how to build a cannon.
No, that's not true. You're a liar.
You call yourself troll.
I don't care because I'm gonna troll you next time.
Next time, but not now.
Yes. I'm gonna destroy you with my cannon.
What if you
But if
can't
what?
build your cannon?
If what?
Can't build your cannon.
Shut up. I'm gonna destroy you. Oh my god, I don't want pickaxe. Stupid map. Doesn't give a
Just
pick.
give everyone a pickaxe.
Oh yeah. I hate this map.
We hate the map because you can't have a pickaxe. That's a terrible reason. That's a good reason.
Oh my god, I can't spell right. Wait, guys.
I'm going to build my cannon up on the top.
No! Oh, you can. If you have stairs.
There are stairs.
Yes. You can
And they're a
build.
bit easier than the normal.
Wait, let's build the top. Wait for me. Okay, let's build the top.
Wait, something. Yup. It.
It has stairs?
Yes, but on the top it's broken.
What?
On the top the stairs are broken.
Oh, see? Let's just build at the bottom, idiot.
No, I want it at the top. It gives more. It just makes you feel more powerful.
No.
Okay, so I'll build mines right here on the ledge.
What?
It'll look cooler.
Oh my
Trust
gosh.
me.
What the? I don't know.
What's that?
I'm making a video with Slam Slime Gaming that doesn't know how to PvP.
Hello everyone,
Yes,
my
but
name is
better-
Axel and
Shut the
Your
fuck
name
up.
is Axel.
Oh my god, I don't have more TNT. I need more TNT.
Need more TNT.
Shut the fuck up, son.
can I join your game?
Okay,
Yes, you join Slime's side.
After your vlog, you're done vlogging.
It's really done. Oh my god.
Oh! I almost
What?
killed myself.
Because you're full. Is chorus fruit food?
Yes, eat it so you'll teleport to a random area.
What? Is that true?
Yes, a random place nearby. Okay, it won't teleport. It'll make you act like an Enderman, but
Oh.
it'll make you out of
Oh my
control.
god. Minecraft logic. Endermans use chorus fruit when teleporting.
Maybe, or maybe they just use an Ender Pearl.
No. They don't hold anything, you stupid head.
But why did they drop it for some reason?
Don't ask me.
Who should I ask? Not.
Yes, not. Ask the creator of Minecraft if he's real.
Oh, come on.
What?
I ran out of TNT too.
I'm gonna fire.
Oh no, you're all ready to fire?
Yes. I'm gonna put the lever.
Oh,
3, 2, 1. Shut the fuck up, then.
don't, if you blow up all your land that you own.
You suck.
No, I don't suck.
That's,
Boom! Son, do you see the explosion?
no. It's like nothing to me.
This is a tin wall.
It's a thin wall, but I couldn't see any explosions. Because
Boom.
endstone is immune to explosions.
No, I can see
it's
the
not.
hole. Do you see
Oh,
the
no.
hole?
Yes, I see it. That's okay. I'm on the top, so you can't
Oh
harm
my god,
me.
my TNT. Oh my god, my TNT explode fail.
Wait.
Hi, this is Skitoshi2 here, my best friends, Soul Gaming and Slam.
You join the right side, Toshi. Join the right side. Because Slime's there.
Just do not mess with my TNT. Ah,
Is it exploding there?
someone. Yes. Oh no.
You're
My
building at the
plant-
top.
My
Idiot.
plant
Do you
got
have an
destroyed.
assignment in science?
Yes.
Walang tabi?
Oh no, my plant got
Wait.
destroyed.
I'm making a video.
Oh no! Oh, they're firing the cannons. No, we're in the
And I think
When I'm making
you can respawn because
Take cover.
I have mercy. I will show you mercy.
all you have to do is just kill people with cannons.
TNTs.
Just come to the top and hide. Just hide, okay? Hide. Kill people with TNTs, that's the rules. Which doesn't sound like a rule. Fire!
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, come on.
You didn't fire anything. You don't even know how to build a cannon.
I know how to build one. It's just, I just make ones a bit late.
You're just lying.
I know how to make one.
Shut up.
Okay.
I can't trust you.
Oh yeah, cause we're opponent.
What?
Fire! Oh, come on!
Epic fail. I need to get more TNT. Oh my god. I need to fire one and get the TNT. Are you kidding me?
Double.
Fire!
I quit it. I just quit. Oh, man.
I
Is it-
needed
I-
more TNT.
You're in the top?
Yup. Oh no, I shouldn't have said that I was in the top.
You suck!
That you heard that right? You suck.
Solo mo isakyuhin? Solo mo isakyuhin?
You're gonna die, slime. You know that.
What?
Hindi man, boss pa man.
And go fire.
Kere, boss yan.
Fire! Oh! Mine's almost go through the wall.
No.
I'm going to do more.
Did you do automatic?
A little bit of one.
Hoy, Dana.
All you need to do is just pull the lever.
What? You made that when you made that automatic.
Basta may music to ka mo.
Ano yung nga lang sa Minecraft?
Minecraft.
Lama bakal ko.
I think I accidentally blew up my own area. Wait, no.
You're an idiot. You don't know how to build cannons. You fucking suck. I just destroyed this wall.
I'm breaking the wall. I need less power.
Where are you on the right side?
Yes.
I'm gonna build a new one. Oh my god, why is this facing up?
Your TNT needs.
Oh my god.
Yes!
You making a
Oh,
video?
no.
You don't damage anything.
I have damaged something.
Hello. Well,
No, you damage nothing at all. Shut the fuck up.
I need more power.
Slut.
Access a slot, okay? This is expert at hentai.
Wait.
I need many water. Ketoshi, are you kidding me?
I need more.
Are you kidding me?
No cheating.
Okay, you can join mine.
Ano
If-
ni
You
survival?
can fire my cannons. You can fire my cannons here.
But I'm
Ken,
gonna die if I fail.
Ken,
Double TNT cannon.
Ken.
Okay, wait. I'm just gonna destroy you.
Oh, come
It's not
on.
finished.
Yes.
I need more power.
Can't kill myself, okay?
Oh my god, you pressed the wrong button.
Oh shit.
Right,
If
right.
you're gonna be in the right side, I'm gonna be in
Give
the
me
left
more
side.
ammo.
That's left side. Go to
I
the
need
right
some
side.
ammo.
Okay, you need some ammo.
What the fuck? No!
He needs an ammo, dude. You need an
I
ammo.
don't care.
You want an ammo?
I keep missing.
Because you're a fool, you don't know how to build cannons.
You suck.
What is this?
You know how to fire it. Here,
Oh no!
Ken,
oh no!
watch.
Oh no! It's a disaster.
Fire one. Spam it.
Oh, too bad.
No, not there. You have to spam up the top one.
Okay, destroy it.
I need to build a brand new
Kidding me, Ken?
cannon.
Ken, look.
And here, and there. Idiot, you're gonna destroy your cannons.
Okay, you fucking suck. Can you get me, ang
What?
TNT cannons?
Here, some TNTs.
Oh,
Here,
no.
give me. Put in the dispensers.
Just get your own dispenser, dude. You gotta blow his shit
I
up.
need triple power.
Okay.
Oh, I ran
Wish
out
me
of
luck,
water.
bro.
Good luck.
We need resources.
Slime's gonna die.
Dito si 30, si Mark.
Yeah. That's it, I got loose.
Oh shit,
Do not mess with my cannon.
I mess with your cannon.
Not you.
Die, Slime!
No, wait, do not engage, Elliot. I'm in here.
You're not supposed to go through.
You suck. Now you're gonna burn. It's shit, bitch.
I keep pressing the dispenser.
No, don't!
What? Slime's gonna die today.
Hey, give me TNT.
I need some TNT, bro.
Oh my god, I ran out of TNT!
Get more, Elliot.
I think
Sun is so slow.
I'm slow at building.
You suck, right?
Yeah.
Wish me luck.
Can do it,
What are you
buddy.
trying to do?
Saan are you at?
I'm here.
Oh, you're in the hole?
At the front.
Are you in the middle?
Yes. Wait.
Is that you?
Yes.
Oh my god, I can destroy you right now.
Oh no, just give me a chance.
No mercy. I need to get slabs.
My teammate is gone stupid.
He's gone crazy.
What's wrong with you? Is this a suicide attempt?
Yes. You're done. Oh, what? You're lagging, aren't you?
I'm alive.
What?
Oh, come on.
You said
Hey,
you're
this
alive.
is cheating. This is no field. Oh no. Take cover there. Blow, blow.
It's shit, bitches. You're gonna lose.
Slime's gonna die tonight. I mean today.
That's it. Oh, come on. I tried to do some revenge.
That's it.
Slime's a noob.
I was trying to
That's
get...
it. Was that it?
Slime's a noob. I'm sure of it.
Why am I terrible at fighting?
You're terrible at PvP plus TNT cannons
That's it. I'm
plus...
going to destroy your land.
Yeah! Before you go to your land. Hey, don't go to the left side. You have to go to the right side. Dude, that's cheating.
Okay,
Son.
okay.
You go have to go to your
Go.
own side and go to our side, okay?
Okay.
Son, good luck.
Son, good luck. It's unique. I'm gonna need it.
There, I'm going back. Attack!
You're gonna attack.
You're leaving.
Son, go back to your base now.
Okay.
You suck.
Just after I...
Why can I kill you?
I can't kill you, so...
It's PvP false.
Yes! Yes!
Yeah. You can't even start. Where are you going? Where are you mining? Oh, turn on the PvP. That's cheating.
Son,
You haven't turned on the PvP last time. I cannot kill Satoshi.
You have to kill.
this is the part where you know Sun Slime sucks at
Give a sword.
TNT cannon.
Defend. Give a sword.
Okay, is this the end of part 1?
No, not yet.
Oh my god, I destroyed your base, you idiot.
Technically, I destroyed your base.
I'm going to create a TNT tower.
Before you can create, destroy their chest.
I hate Slime, he has no PvP. Okay, let's play Maze Fighter.
Wait.
Again?
Yeah, buka.
Oh no.
What? Let's make my map.
What?
I'm making a new map which is better than the one that we attempted to make.
Son, did you know you're gonna explode today?
Yes, and that's what I'm trying to do.
Destroy yourself.
I'm trying to explode.
Oh, mercy.
You're dead.
What's laggy?
I-
You just blew up your own land, don't you know that?
No,
I
that's
blew up this map
this is
too.
the right side. My god, there's so many churches.
Destroy his own.
Now we know Slam Slime sucks at PvP and TNT cannons.
Ah! Yeah, he sucks. No, don't turn that.
I think he sucks very much.
Run away!
Okay, let's
No!
play.
I just blew up.
That's the end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Don't turn it off.
Peace.
This